Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to show you how to do reverse cat eyeliner using an eyeshadow. We are not going to use any liquid liner, so it is super easy. You are going to use tape as a guide. Place the tape on your upper eyelid and start blending from the lower end of the tape towards your lower lid. Once you have blended the brown eyeshadow thoroughly, you can remove the tape. You can see I'm blending it all over my lower lid and outer corner of my upper lid. This way it will give me a nice shape. Once I've blended everything, I'm going to remove the tape, and then I'm going to use a shimmer shade and a nude eye pencil. I'm going to use nude eye pencil in my waterline and then create a horizontal line parallel to my wing liner, and then I'm adding the shimmer shade on my upper eyelid. Once I have added the shimmer shade, I'm just packing it, I'm not blending it. I am going to use some mascara and lashes, and we do not need to apply any liner on our upper lid. This is super easy look. You can wear it in every day. It looks so stunning and so pretty. Hope you love watching this.